So, as the zygote travels down the fallopian tube towards the uterus, it begins a series of cell divisions. So, you can see here the series of changes in this diagram. As you know, the student, this is ovary, and at 14 number days, this process at 14 number day of menstrual cycle, the process of ovulation takes place, in which uh, Graafian follicle ruptures and egg comes out. This process is called for ovulation, and this is that oocyte. So then it is ready. It travels into the fallopian tube, and then sperm comes after the intercourse, and sperm is received by this uh, oocytes, and the process of fertilization takes place. That is the fusion of male gamete with the female gamete takes place. Then one by one we'll see what happens. And after the fertilization took place, then you can see this cell with the two nucleus, one from sperm and one from ovum. Then after the day number 1 after fertilization, what happens, these two nucleus, it get fused and become one nucleus, and it goes for the next development, further development. And firstly it goes for cleavage, and it converts into one cell, convert into two cell stage at day number 2. Then it goes for the second uh, cleavage, and it converts into four cell stage, as you can see here. And after that it goes for the next stage at day to 3 or 4 number after fertilization, and it converts into 8 cell stage, as you can see here. So dear student, thereafter what happens, the series of changes as we are watching here. So now it enters into the uterus, and firstly when it assume 8 cell structure, it is uncompacted, then it becomes compacted, and at a day number 4, and then at a day number 5, what happens, this structure assumes this shape, means the blastocell appears here, and inner mass takes at its place at one point, and trophoblast cell covered whole the structure. This is called early blastula. Early blastula. It takes place at day number 5. Then what happens, at day number 6 and 7, this converts zona pellucida. It appears here, ruptures here, and then it goes for the next developmental stages. That next developmental stages, you can see here, at day number 8 to 9, it assumes this structure, and it is called blastula. So one by one we'll see all this structure in the next slides. So dear student, these are the different changes that takes place in the fallopian tube after the fertilization, one by one. Then what happens, we'll see now. On the day 2, the zygote has divided into two identical cells, and this stage is called two cell embryo. You can see here in this diagram, there are two cells. This is cell number 1, this is cell number 2. So this takes place at day number 2 after the fertilization. Then what happens, this two cell stage, it converts into four cell stage also into day 2, and it look like this. Then what happens, so this stage is called four cell embryo stage. Then what happens, it goes for the another cell division, and again making a 8 identical cell, and this is also called early morula, and it is berry like shape. You can see here there are 8 cell in this structure, and this structure is called early morula. Thereafter it goes for further development, and morula undergoes several more cell divisions, 16, then 8 cell convert into 16 cell, then 32, then 64 cell, and the individual cells are now indistinct. So you can see here the mass is appear here, and this stage is called morula. Then on the day 5, fluid builds up inside the ball of the cells, making it hollow, and this is called blastocyst. So in this structure you can see now it is going to be converted into this blastocyst. Morula is going to be converted into blastocyst because one hollow space appearing here, and trophoblast cell, it assumes the location of the trophoblast at a border, and this is embryonic stem cells appear at one point in this structure. So this structure is called blastocyst. Now the further development takes place. This is the wall of endometrium, that is a uterus wall endometrium, and this is, you can see this is blastocyst. This is inner mass, you can see here in the green color. It assumes its shape at one point, and then this blue color cells is a trophoblast cells layer, and this space here, it is called blastocyst cavity or blastocele, and this structure is called blastula. So this is the unique feature of this blastula, that it has this space, and the inner cell mass, it appears at one point, and trophoblast cells covers the cell structure. So this stage is called blastula after morula. So dear students, you can learn from this structure here. Now between day 6 to 14 implantation, that is adhering of the blastocyst to the wall of the uterus occurs, and the placenta also begins from the form, and at this stage there is no more embryonic stem cell, and then the further development takes place, that is the development for the between the day number 14 and 21 neurulation, the beginning of the future nervous system takes place. By the day 24, the beginning of the future face, neck, mouth and nose occur. So after 5 weeks it look like this. After 5 weeks it look like this in the mother body. Then after 6 week and then after 6 and 7 week it look like this. And organogenesis, that is the organ formation, occur during weeks 3 to 8, and the primitive heart start beginning at 4 weeks. By weeks 8, developing embryo has become fetus, although definition of this time point vary up to the 10 week. So dear students, this is about this 7 week embryo. Then what happens, you can see it also assumes shape like this, and in this stage you can see at 20 weeks it is the 20 week fetus, and it is roughly 11-inch long and weighing about 1 lb, 10 to 10 oz, and it can suck its thumb, yawn and stretch, and the mother can feel it's moving, and it is that feeling of mother, the movement of fetus is called quickening. So this is about that embryo that can be seen in the mother uterus. So for the birth, a full term pregnancy lasts 9 months or 38 weeks, and after 22 weeks the fetus is considered viable, and this means it could survive outside the uterus if there is a premature birth, you can see here. So this is about this lecture. This is Shahzad Sir Patel Science Academy. Dear students, I would like to do an announcement here. By your support, my channel has crossed 1500 subscribers, so please keep subscribing and like my videos, share it with your friends and with all the needies, and comments for your queries. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot for watching my video. This is Shahzad Sir saying, stay home, stay safe. Thank you very much.